this Mercedes here. You can tell, looks like it had water almost up to the top of the doors there. This is 109 13th Street in Belleair Beach. Traveling further down Belleair Beach. This is October 1st, just a few days after the storm. So behind us we have the Gulf of Mexico, and up ahead we have the inland waterway. It looks like the water might have gone all the way from the Gulf to the inland waterway. It looks like this whole peninsula here was covered in water. Guys working hard trying to help clean out here. God knows there's going to be plenty of that work around here for the foreseeable future. Now this house looks like it's on a little hill here. I wonder if they were spared. Well, that raises the value of that place, that's for sure. Looks like we've got some traffic obstructions up here. We're going to wait till this truck comes through, then we're going to try to pass through here.
You're going to move to one side or the
other. Yeah, it looks like this is 12th Street. Kind of connects it like a horseshoe to 13th Street. And this looks like they got hit even worse. Smiley's dumpster rental. I don't guess he's hurting for business these days.